Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to sign into Minecraft step by step. Let's get started! First, open Minecraft on your phone, PC, or console. From the main screen, look for the Sign In option. Tap Sign In with a Microsoft account. If you already have a Microsoft account, enter your email address and tap Next. Now enter your Microsoft account password and complete any security verification if it's requested. If you don't have a Microsoft account, choose Create One and follow the instructions to make a new account. Once you've successfully signed in, return to Minecraft. Your account should now appear on the main screen. And that's it. You're now signed into Minecraft and ready to play. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more Minecraft tutorials.